Hi friends, welcome to the Fit and Travel. Today let's see the beautiful, amazing road of the Western Ghats, which is surrounded by the beautiful trees, forests and wild animals. So while driving you have to be very careful. You should not drive more than 40 kilometers speed on the Western Ghats roads because the thing is there will be a lot of animal crossing on your way. So you should not hit on the animals and you also will be safe from the wild animals. Guys, if you're traveling in your bike or by any four-wheeler, don't try don't try to stop or don't take any photo shoots in between the forests because it's not safe for you. You can be attacked by the wild animals.